Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
If your hands are not clean, you can't get Biafra. You know that? You can't let me tell you the truth. You have to be whiter than white to get Biafra. Biafra is a spiritual project. It is not something that manifests itself in the temporal until men of honor can carry it. Or else it won't come. It will not come. We are uniting families. We are not having a group association meeting. No, we have a family meeting. You have a Biafran family meeting. The name family signifies you must be one with one another. If you say no, we'll remove you. We don't waste time with rubbish people. Your heart must be one, very pure and clean. Only so will Biafra come. If your hands are not clean, you can't get Biafra. Do you know that? Let me tell you the truth. You have to be whiter than white to get Biafra. Biafra is a spiritual project. It is not something that manifests itself in the temporal until men of honor can carry it. Or else it won't come. It will not come. We are uniting families. We are not having a group association meeting. No, we have a family meeting. You have a Biafran family meeting. The name family signifies you must be one with one another. If you say no, we'll remove you. We don't waste time.
Ogayara choro kogbenye biri, Ogayara choro kogbenye rieni, Ogbenye chekubezi achukwu, Nuche chukwu abụzi ka yeme, Nuche chukwu abụzi ka yeme nuwa, Iyo soro n'iru ya si aribazi ya. Ogbenye bebe, Ogayara nguriba, Ogbenye nguri Ogayara jadi yesoro ya mama Ogayara nguwa, Ogbenye abia bebe si akwa. Ogayara choro kogbenye biri, Ogayara choro kogbenye rieni, Ogbenye chekubezi achukwu. Odiri muma ya diri bemo, Odiri berugo beru ọ dịrị m mma ọ dịrị ibe m ọ dịrị nwoke ma ọ dịrị nwanyị ma ụkwa na-asanya nna m n'ịga ọ ga-ara chọrọ ka ogbenye biri ọ ga-ara chọrọ ka ogbenye bie nri ogbenye chekwubezie chukwu.
All right, I welcome all of you. Welcome back to my channel. Please, if you come across this video, this is a live broadcast. I expect you to share it to many platforms of your choice. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Very, very important that you do so. All right, so put your comments. That's the only way for me to know that you are here. I want to announce to you that tonight, 7 p.m. Biafran time, we are hoping to host a program with Barrister. So make sure, but that is going to be on our main platform. So please kindly be with us, join us that time, to run the program together. Now we are here to spend just few period of time, maybe an hour, because I have something to share with you here. Very, very important. I saw a post of Onowu and Mazawa program they did yesterday. There are certain things they said that give me concern. Like, I genuinely want to know why, if that is true. I tried to reach out to some people to understand if that is true, because they made mention of PM tax. In case if you have forgotten, after the arrest of PM, one of the major things they charge PM in Finland is one is terrorism, and two is tax issue. Okay, that he needs to pay some tax and all that. And some time ago, some people said they are in charge of that tax, and some people have accused USB government of not getting involved in the tax issue. I remember when some of the people that were in USB, who later said that they are no longer going to support USB government. One of the things they complained about is that the USB government are not supporting PM tax and all that. Then I asked question. Then it happened that literally USB government are doing something to support, but to them they want USB government to be paying money to Imam Madab to take charge of who Imam Madab and their group. So of course you cannot see the reason why USB government will be kind of cautioned. Then they will be kind of careful to know where and how they're going to send money, because you don't send money to somebody who is not in agreement with you, somebody who also don't want your existence, somebody who believe that it should be them, not you. So how can you send money to that kind of people? That is the only thing I noticed then. I said, okay, to me they are right. You don't do that. Anyway, Ife, you are the first to make comments so far. I agree to Ife. Ife not she, this is Ife Oche Dike. So I hope I pronounce your name well. You are the first to make a comment. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate. And please, if you don't mind, hit like button. Okay, it doesn't matter how the live stream will go, but because as you can see, my camera is not on, but I have to pass this message because I'm working with time, simply because we are going to come back again on our main platform to do the needful. So if I see you, Ebonify said, good evening, Mazakai. Good evening to you, Ebonify. I see you. You are the one to second Ifediche. So you are highly welcome. Yeah, go. Okay, see you. So very, very important. Please make sure you like the video, okay? Now, I think I have to say a few things before going straight to the program. And I've told you about the reason why we are writing on this is about that the alarm that this woman raised. I don't know. Some people say that I don't know, and money is cannot go, one-on-one, because you can't trust money in her hands. Now, they also have the same problem. The same problem that some people who were in USB government working to gather money for this tax, they later splitted into two. Names that I'm often hearing now about it is a man called Ofoma. I don't know Ofoma. I don't know anything about Ofoma. I'm just hearing Ofoma, but I don't know him. So it seems like Ofoma was the one in charge of that, and everything is no longer the way he planned, because I think he's no longer in USB, something like that. But whichever way, I also want to know if USB government have designed another means to help PM in that tax issue. Do you understand? So that is something I want to know, but I have not gotten the answer that I wanted. I have not gotten the response from people that I asked. But we are going to go through. Let us hear, because it's not only about us anyway that they said here, but that's my interest. That's my own interest. It is the video is about bantering each other, because they actually have an issue among themselves. So they have an issue among themselves. So I can assure you now, we have 10 people watching now in the space of 12 minutes, and only 2 people are from USB. The other people that are 8 people, the other 8 are just watching people maybe from Fallback Republic, anywhere, comment, watching. So wherever you are watching from, whichever group you are, I welcome you. As you find it worthy to watch us, I welcome you. One of you have disappeared, which is okay. Like I said, we are here for everybody. The only difference between me and some of you is actually being truthful. Some of you are not truthful, if not all. In fact, if you are truthful, there's no need to fall back. You see, you can see the difference, right? So 99.9% of those fallback are not truthful. They're not honest people. They are not. They cannot be where honesty, dwells. They are, because what they do, they feel comfortably working with anybody that is about dishing out lie and falsehood. So let's quickly go to the program of I don't know and Mazakwa. Hear this. So it's going to help you.
Yes. Wow. Now to the business of the day. When you do one, you get it out of the way. Biafrans, I have an important message to give to you guys. You guys know that a lot has been happening in our land. The humanitarian crisis going on, everyone knows it. And we are doing our best to make sure we help out our people. It's not like Biafrans have always been helpless people. Biafrans do not beg. Biafrans are self-sufficient. But when you're handicapped, it seems like you're a beggar. Biafrans are never beggars. Biafrans are very strong-willed people. All over the world, when you go, if you haven't seen a Biafran there, pack your bag and baggage and leave, and know that that place is not habitable. God has endowed us with wisdom and knowledge and all that we need in order to live our life according to the number of our days. So, you guys know, I've been doing the humanitarian crisis, raising money so that our children will not have kwashiorkor and rickets, because their parents go out to farm, they kill them there. They go out to sell something, they kill them. You could leave in the morning and not come back. So
again, I want to remind you, in case if you are just joining us, to put your comment and like the video. In 7 p.m. Biafran time this evening, we are going to stream a program with a barrister. Hopefully, we make it. But keep your eyes on our main platform. We are coming back there after this program. We are going to stream on our main platform with barrister. So please get ready to join us when the time comes. Barrister is loaded with information, so we are going to listen to barrister again like we normally do. Very, very important.
So we in diaspora, God took us out of that God-forsaken land for a reason and brought us out here. So if you're out here, there's a reason God took you out of that God-forsaken land. There's a reason, so that you'll be able to help your people. And that's what we're doing. So that brings me the humanitarian crisis. We've been successful doing what we are doing, raising money. And we have a finance secretary whose name is Mazi Lucas. Yes, Mazi Lucas, I want to tell you, Biafrans, today is no longer the financial secretary of humanitarian crisis. The fundraising we do, it's no longer. So the account, we've had 2 accounts which we closed because of unavailability. Biafra comes first. Yeah, we are not being paid. So if you cannot do the job, you step aside. Nobody is paying anybody. You're doing Biafra a service. But when you cannot function up to expectation, you are now taken out. And you don't have to worry about it. If you remember what Onyendu said, when they find somebody who can do that job better than you, they give it to that person. You should not stay in one corner and start pouting, calling a pity party. No. Go look for something else and do. So our very first account holder was having issues with availability. When we need money to buy beans and rice and egusi for the starving children, will not be available because he's busy. And we talked with him. He understood it. He said, okay. And he had no issues. We got another person and he kept supporting. Now we got the second guy. That's the Paul Rufus account. With the Paul Rufus account, he has similar problems again. When we need our money, it's Biafra's money. It's not I don't know whose money. You can't give it when you please or when you have the time. No, it's a priority. After God, Biafra, then your family. That's the way we should see. That's the way patriotism should be. Is God, country, and self. But some people want to do God, self, and country. No. Biafra has a need. You are not available. We remove that Paul Rufus account. So anybody putting money into Paul Rufus account is not sending it to humanitarian crisis. We have already gotten a new account.
So I want to understand something here. Remember I told you that there's having issue among themselves as well. The same account that she's talking about here. This is my first time of hearing anybody Rufus. Remember, it was made known to Biafran by DPM that this one have history of transferring money every night and all that. When issue of money comes up and this woman is involved, believe you me, you must enter story. This is not the first time, it's not the second time. So she's not calling people to donate money for, according to her, humanitarian. The same humanitarian that last time I checked, when they were all together with Ogenkere, they mocked USB government for talking about humanitarian. They are now using the same humanitarian to raise money. You see, they gather together and brag that they have hired a lawyer. They hired a lawyer. That lawyer is going to help to release PM. That Ngozi and the people cannot do anything. This issue of hiring a lawyer is the reason why it's one of the top things that Remedios was complaining about the USB government. They should hire a lawyer. Last by the same thing, hire a lawyer. They don't know what they're saying, and they are talking as if they know what they're doing. It takes time to understand what you don't know. I understand that, but you must give a listening ear to educate yourself in certain things. I use myself as an example. When the issue of government in exile started, I don't know what it means, the impact and the importance of that Biafran government in exile. But I have to educate myself on that. Why can't you do the same thing? It doesn't cost much. Esther, I see you. Esther, you are welcome. And Christopher, I sent my greeting already to you. Ebonifai and Juliet. Okay. And we have Juliet is here. I see you, Juliet. Juliet. Nice to have you. We have Osin. Okay. Osin, I see you. Greetings to all of you. Thank you for joining me in this brief live stream. And once again, in case you are just joining us, I am inviting you tonight, 7 p.m. different time, to our main platform, Sky Report. There we are going to host a program with the barrister like we normally do. And if you have any question, anything, you can join us there and throw your question. Barrister will be active, on that program. He's one going to lecture us there like you normally do, in case if you are not aware. But I have to run this program here because when it comes to money, issue of money, donate. We need to understand something. I'm not against you donating money for your freedom. I'm not saying you should not do that. But it is always good for you to donate that money to the right channel, to the right people. We are all matured. How will you feel that I come here and tell you that I know how to release PM, that I know everything, just present myself as if I'm the best, right? Only for you to find that letter that thing that I said is not true. Will you trust me again? Or if I brag that I am the only person on social media that you must listen to, that without me you know nothing, then I come up and begin to let's say I decide to argue about what like I'm arguing Ogenkere, for example. Okay, let me tell you this. I don't believe that Ogenkere is getting it right. I don't believe that. This is my own opinion. Okay, I'm not saying that you should believe me, but I'm telling you my own personal life, my own belief. I don't believe that Ogenkere is doing the right thing. That is why I question most of, if not everything they are doing, because I'm a candidate of foundation. Like I want to know the foundation of what you are doing. I believe that if your foundation is good, you are going to go far. Do you understand? I believe that if your foundation is good, you are going to go far. I believe that you don't manipulate your way to start up something and expect that thing to be one of the best. I believe that if your foundation is strong, you are going to go far. So if I notice that your foundation is not genuine, for example, you are building a house that you require that you need to build your foundation, your pillars with, let's say, 16 mm rod, and you are using something like 12 mm, 12, or let's say 8 mm rod to build your pillar of the house. You're supposed to build a one-story building. What you need to use, the size of the rod that you're supposed to use is 16. Some use 22, but 16 mm. Now that 16 mm rod, if I notice that you are building a one-story building and you're using rod that is not supposed to be used, I believe that house will collapse. And my reason is because the rod that you're using is weaker rod, not the size of the rod that's supposed to use. So I told you my reason. I told you that what I believe, and I gave you reason why I believe that. Now, Ogenkere started with falsehood. Do you understand? Manipulation and building cabal. All these people that you are seeing today, they supported him. And for you to make that such false decision simply means that that's who you are. It simply means that that's who you are. Your false decision matters a lot. Like when we are growing up, we used to play this kind of game, and they're saying that now, I see that now, no cooking is Bokuchuku. That first thing you said, that is the real who you are. Other things can, your second thought and your suggestion, anything you do again is secondary. Like it can be influenced by side talk, can be influenced, but the real one, your mind, your innermost being chose is the first one. Do you understand what I'm saying? So having this kind of people talking now, like Eggman, Mazakwa, I don't know of this world, Rection-Ada, Professor Jomo Koma, Bryce Nokoma, all these names, for them to have chosen Ogenkere for the first time means to me, like my own opinion, they are not genuine, and they have been proving me right. These gangs, after separating themselves from Ogenkere, they formed another group. You know, when you check their profile, professor, doctorate degree holders, you know, decided to use CRC as their government. You know, remember, it's not that they did it not because they don't know that CRC is a committee, you know, is a committee, temporal committee for that matter, conflict resolution committee for conflict only. Citing them, using them as the government is not just scam. It is actually an insult, because they're insulting our intelligence. When you look at someone like Bryce Nokoma, who is educated, believed to be educated, Jomo Koma, professor, Rection-Ada, doctor, and so many other names that you may not even know their title. These guys, look at the, I don't know, she speaks good English, means that she's not an illiterate. Maybe she's maybe a graduate, and somebody with life experience. The woman is, if not, maybe she's in her 80s or 70s. Do you understand? Doing what she's doing. Imagine now, what schools are you going to give them? Is it that they don't know how to read and write, or they are not old enough to know where somebody is lying at your age? Yeah, these people have trained children, and they are children. These are grandmother, grandfathers behaving abnormal. So what schools are you going to give to them? After splitting themselves into different forms, some of them, Chomokoma, Imam Madabo, Eggman, I don't know, and all these people, what did they do? They said, okay, let's hire a lawyer that is going to represent PM. Okay. Some of us that may not know how this works abroad, like, and a lawyer from Nigeria to represent somebody in Germany is not possible, right? You must be called to bar. At the initial stage, we were like, okay, these guys made a very nice move to help PM. They made you to believe that they're helping PM. But deep down their mind is about relevancy. Now that they're not fighting each other, I don't know who Mansakwa, even the video is seen on Mansakwa's platform, where he was celebrating and challenging DPM and the USB government to show them their own lawyer, that they don't even want PM to come out, that no bringing natural PM Potaki support by hiring a lawyer. Today in this video, they are not telling that lawyer, hiring a lawyer doesn't make any sense. That lawyer cannot stand in law court in Finland to defend. They are not the ones saying it. Something they criticized me and you before. They are not using that. They're not inciting what many of us already know. So after knowing all those things, you see the reason why I don't take them serious. Azubike, who refused to do the needful, is now in different, have been in different group now. The same account hijacking that they did immediately after the relocation of Biafra, they have done it to themselves, among themselves. Okay, they told you that the reason why they will have to fall back is because it is needed, because Ngozi is a problem. Ngozi is the problem. Now, what is that that pushes them away from fallback? If they're genuine, they don't need to fall. They don't need to fall after falling, but they are still falling and falling and falling and still going to fall because they are not genuine. You get the point now. Now, pay close attention and hear what I don't know what you're saying. In case if you are just joining us, Ben, I can see you and kind of said here for the first time. Your first comment, what did you say? You said, "Good day, Kai. Good day to you, my brother." And again, you said, "So humanitarian outreach is now used by these ignorant people." Yeah. Thank you so much for recognizing that part, because these people unleash all manner of propaganda. Oh, Ngozi is doing Ngozi is just doing humanitarian somewhere. Ngozi is doing humanitarian in Kafanchan, in the north. You see, that which your government saw, they are not seeing it now. The reason why that humanitarian. I'm not going to dwell much about that, but if you know the reason why. They said that the university should raise money for BLA, not humanitarian. Now, the same people who are now working with the BLA are now using humanitarian. So, why were you fighting against this BLA? Are they not human being? I'm just saying. So now, let me take it. So humanitarian outreach is now used by these ignorant people to pursue Biafran's cause. These people condemned USB for humanitarian outreach. If you don't believe God, believe none. Exactly, my sister. Or is it myself or my brother? Your name is Khan. It could be your surname. If you don't believe God, believe none. Onowu is Oyablon. I don't know about that. Maybe you are going too far. But she have a questionable character. You understand? She's one of the most questionable human beings I have seen in the movement. Oliver Ozo, my brother. Nice to have you. Benny, who said the woman's kind to you? Oliver Ozo. Good evening. Good evening to you. And here we have more grace to you. That is from Edmond. Is that Edmond? Yeah, Edmond Ibe. Maybe you are a brother or husband to Choma Ibe. We have our sister here called Choma Ibe. Both of you are bearing the same surname. I hope maybe different people. More grace to your elbow, Mazakai TV. May God keep strengthen you. The one Oju Gochuku, one of us. Good evening from here. Good evening to you, Oju Gochuku. So let's hear I don't know again. He said, please hit that button. That's from Ben Iwu. Thank you so much, Ben Iwu. Oju Gochuku, let me present your comment first before Ben Iwu on. Please do me a favor, like the video. Okay? Prove to Fallback Republic that they are not the only one watching us. Because they are watching, and when I started, many of them were here watching and refused to like the video if you put a comment. Because I believe for you to put comment here means that you are genuine or you love what we do here. And those of you that are that click on like button, may God bless you and bless you richly. So hear this woman again.
Which I'm not going to expose here. We have the Abubagos account. So if you need to donate towards this human,
they also attack USB government for presenting different accounts. You get the point now. And they show me the account. Because where is the account? Because why? The only account that Toba will be able to introduce to us. Ngozi created her own account. These guys are not creating an account every week. The same thing they use against other people. It's not Chineka at all.
humanitarian crisis.
Triple M, I see.
There are 3 legitimate sources.
You're welcome, Triple.
Read my lips. 3 legitimate sources.
Triple M, thank God that you are here. Barrister said that I should invite you into this program. I forgot to inform you yesterday. He said that he would like to have you in the program tonight, 7 p.m. That he loved your submission. Okay? In case if you are free, please honor that invitation. And there we go.
You can call for the account number. Honorable Information Minister Raphael Ajere, Deputy Information Minister Honorable Madam Unki,
who used to install,
and I don't know.
Those of you, yeah, which is herself. Those of you that follow me on X, I believe you must have seen my tweet about Nkiru. I shared his, because I don't want to lose some of those evidences. Just like I tweeted the one of USPB, I instantly tweet Nkiru on. Let it be there. Makech. These are people who fought PM publicly without hiding anything. They are non-honorable and inside the cabinet after they started talking about Biafra after the declaration of Biafra. After the declaration, they started. Nkiru started earlier because she followed me on my platform steadily. Nkiru was, I used to, I don't joke with her. She was always on my comments, and I didn't know that she's this woman. And she never called in though. She never called in. She didn't call in, just like Helen Peter didn't call in as well. But let's continue. We have Peter Frank. Peter, is that Peter? Oh, Peter what? Peter, not like. I think it's a different Peter. We had Peter Frank, but that was in our main platform. So now that we are here, my brother, you are welcome, Peter. I greet you. What did he even say? He said, Ndeo Masaka, Ndeo Trioke. Triple M said, greetings to you, Masakai reports. On them, how is family doing today? God is in control. We bless God for everything. Thank God for life, my brother. And thank you for asking.
You do not call Mazi Lucas. He's no longer in the picture. So please, take Lucas out of your mindset. And Paul Rufus' account is null and void. Anybody giving you that account, ask them, who are they working for?
Okay.
Who are they working for? So I'm telling you guys, this is the account we will be using. The next thing I want to clear, people have banded.
Who are you working for? If you got the point now, you get explain tire. And thereby need to understand. This baseless hit that some of you are dishing out on DPM is need. I mean, what do you actually want? What do you want? I can't. The same group of people that are attacking other people. So why are you introducing account? Oh, account only gave us. Account Obatobie gave us. When the person handling the account is misbehaving. Imagine in this modern age, in a cabinet meeting, that people have different people from different corners of the world representing on behalf of Biafra. In a government constituted by PM, which many of you believe that you love him and all that. This cabinet said, what is it? Azubike, remove account that bank account number from the website, which Ogekere is in control of. Put this one mandate account that we know. The guy said no. He publicly chose Ogekere ahead of every other cabinet members. And when you ask the guy, what is your problem? Why can't you do it? He not so American English. You know, man, I have to wait for my brother to come in here. It's not about the cook. More no, it's both Yoshi. About by English, about by education. Modern life is the key. Self-discipline. Have to discipline yourself. in on a government, you have the opportunity to create an account or manage website for Biafrans. Whether they paid you or they don't pay you, I don't know. But you are in good time with the government, with PM. One individual who claimed to be finance minister misbehaved. Then the entire cabinet that you are recognized, not just now, when PM was there, advised you to do this for them on their behalf. It kind of the same, but not one person. Okay, now he must be in the cabinet before you take a decision. So okay, there is none better or more important than the entire cabinet. And you want to tell me you are family government? You want to tell me that everything that any other thing that you are going to do subsequently should be honored and respected? They play. You have proven to me that you are not just a cabal builder, you are a well-known, proud criminal. It's Butuyu Shikib. Since the division they caused in the movement, they have been falling and falling and falling. How many groups now? I have lost count. The man called Lucas or Lucas, she mentioned a group that one have already formed now. Apart from PUC, I swear that you see by the buy. What the guy from our own group? Maybe we can call it what would I even call it? A group, and we also government. That's another thing. They don't form group just and keep quiet. They form it and they call it government. Register Ndoshi. To study something you don't want to study. To learn from Eju, Agada Bachurozo, Agaga Church. No what Jesus Agana Kodaka. Chineke Melu Nebele. Professor Happy May is in the building. I greet you, man. Equal professor. Nende go professor ne go akwo. Nende go akwo ne me fa ekweko. So what is the old fool up to again? She's calling for donation. She's calling for donation. And if only go if only go akwo man go akwo na. Akpa agwa ku if people that don't look at Fam D is educated old lady, right? Ogalako, the self-discipline. Ima, you can go to school, but as well as no. If on the people that without honor, no dignity whatsoever, without them having access to politics, they will be carrying gun, blocking highway, robbing people. In those and I say that I am educated, I am a graduate, but the country is frustrating us. So do you know that if everyone that is frustrated in the country decide to go and rob, everywhere. If that is your excuse, that you are not an armed robber because the country is frustrating you, you must be very stupid. A land that have a vast landmark that you can actually venture into agriculture. You can start with small scale business. But people will give you stupid job. We know that. I'm not trying to, defend government. But you venturing into criminality is not a good excuse that you are a graduate, but there's no job. Are you handicapped? You can start from other things. And see how that one will be. The same mindset is what some people are using in Biafra movement. All hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. Biafra will hear you. Can I talk? I want to say something. I say, okay, cool. You go, sound so nice. I said, okay, that we'd like to have you more. Can you drop your number? I will call you after the program. He drop your number again. Pia Paul, they say that the way you spoke to Biafra today is nice. Please, where are you residing? And I am somewhere in America. Okay. Can you open a family meeting in that region? I say, no problem, Master, I can do it. Master, I don't want tomorrow, send the document, register, get everything. In the minds of you as a leader, wow, this our brother is working fine. He change again about them if the target boy guy got that zone. Okuchi and Bamba. From day one, Oma if I call game, they know. Oma, that na it can help for donate ego. They will be donating money to attract people to buy trust. So that by the time they will sign for you, you got na able to can not go before this year, you might double. Say that na Biafra is here. That is here. But one number. Respect yourself, remember. Biafra is here. Do the thing, the needful. They will do everything to blackmail that person. Everything possible. Everything humanly possible. They will do it to stop that person. Is that the kind of people that we are going to trust? Our brother Kevin. Kevin, I see you. There was Kevin. Kevin said, Good afternoon, Kai Reports. You asked me to send message to you in WhatsApp, but all my message was not attended. My brother, that yesterday, I did not finish on time. That is just the gospel truth. So let me check the WhatsApp. Please bear with me. What did you even say in the message, the WhatsApp? Did I see your message at all? Kevin, you said that all your message did not, that I did not attend your message. I didn't see your message here. Maybe you can type. Can you type? Because why I asked to send it to me, so I will be able to send the link to come back. Kevin, are you still here with me? Is it Kevin? Let me call this number. I have somebody a message that disappeared. Please, guys, just a moment. Let me.
There's so much lies out there about did Odogu speak to some people or did Odogu not speak? Yes, Odogu has been speaking to me. And the last conversation I had with him, we talked for 14 minutes. And you know when you're in.
Last time somebody told us that Odogu called him and talked for 30 minutes. Your own is 14 minutes. Madabo. I'm not saying that Odogu did not call her. I'm not saying it's not, because the era of who Odogu called and who Odogu did not call has come and gone. Nobody can brag about it anymore. It's not possible. That era has come and gone. If Kevin, please text me now. Text me now on WhatsApp. I'm here with my phone. I cannot see. I don't know who is who here. I don't know. I don't want to invite somebody that I don't need to invite. Please tell me what is going on. Let me know. Okay. Let me know. Very, very important. Can you text me now? Let me see.
Your time is limited to talk. As we were approaching the 14 minutes, he said his time is almost up. I said, okay, probably he had 15 minutes to talk because people are lined up behind him waiting, and their calls does not show their name. It shows unknown. So the chairman connected me and him. It was a three-way. And then I spoke to him while chairman was in the background, didn't get himself involved in the conversation. And I asked all the questions. Let me let you guys know that Onowu is a Finnish citizen. Onowu is a Finnish attorney. Onowu is in Finnish prison. Onowu knows the law of Finland.
Mm-hmm.
So do you think that somebody else on the side will know what is a priority more than Onowu, who is wearing the shoes? Onowu told us to forget about every other thing else. Focus on the Biafra tax. Because For those of you in civilized countries,
I am here to see your comments.
When you owe the IRS, Internal Revenue Service, money, you guys see how they drag Trump. Imagine the most powerful man in the world, Trump, when he was out of office, they were dragging him about his taxes. How much more common people? So you don't mess around with IRS. They can take your home, they can lock you up, they can garnish your wage. They are super. After God is them next.
Oh, thank you, Truman.
So now, Onowu told us, forget about every other bill. Focus on the Biafra tax. And this Biafra tax, I must tell you guys, Onowu did not incur it. It was because he was doing service for us.
Okay, I want us to pay close attention about this tax. That's the reason why I'm even writing on all those things. It's not about what happened in the past. It's about what she said about the tax. And after hearing this, I wasn't comfortable with that. I started, calling people, but I've not gotten the answer that I want. Okay, which is not bad yet, because I don't know. I cannot tell you that there's something fishing. There's nothing fishing yet. Okay, Kevin, are you the one? So please pay attention to that. Very, very important. Hello. Oh, Kevin, come in. Oh, Kevin. Hello. Hello. Hello.
It's not Kevin, it's Lomi.
Okay, but Lomi.
It's not Kevin. It's Lomi.
Okay. I have a message to give before.
Yeah, they're following your program, but this is your WhatsApp. I never, but today I know this is your program. So I said, let me add up. Discover that time.
Okay, just let's talk. Let's talk. Let's.
Information we normally talk about WhatsApp. Say the game.
Send a message. Text me on WhatsApp so I will understand what you are saying.
This is WhatsApp I text you now. I text you say add me for any good information about this our USB. This is my WhatsApp line.
All right. I will get back to you.
This is your call.
I will get back to you later. Kevin, this is here. I can't about also before. I can't get the message. So you said that you sent a message to me yesterday. I didn't receive any message from you, and I asked you to send me a message again on WhatsApp. You were unable to send it. So if for now, no mom say another person now because of you. So I'm not gonna do that again. Please send me a message and just text me that this is Kevin. Then that's all. So please pay attention to what she said here about the task. Goddess, I greet you. I don't know if I don't know me. I'm not going to receive my message. My greetings to you, Goddess. Also blessed. I see you, and Goddess again. Thank you. Yes, I am here. Okay, please text me on WhatsApp. Like you said, you text me. You send me yesterday. Anyway, I don't land Gidibam. That's Goddess. I have sent you a message now. I didn't see any message. But just called you. But I just called you, bro. Was it ringing when you called me? But it's not Kevin. Was it ringing? Was it ringing when you called me? Onowu told you to forget about everything and focus on the Biafra task. Did Onowu tell you to fall back to humanitarian outreach that you condemned? Oh no, so is humanitarian, is humanitarian a Biafran tax? Oh my goodness, don't worry, I understand what she's trying to say. No, it's not Kevin, okay. Fidelis Kanayo, Deo Kanaya, see you. Everybody claim Onowu called him or her. What is the big deal? Low life individuals here and there. Self-discipline, zero. Very zero, my dear. Very, very zero. Margaret, I see you. Margaret, I send you a link to join my WhatsApp. You refuse. My buggy police. I will arrest you, Margaret. I'll mommy and Margaret. You know, I send the link, you ignored that link, right? Fidelis Kana said, thank for your effort and the truth you preach. Thank you so much. Obi-Wan, Dewo, I see you. Goddess. Goddess, I'm not Mazakai, I don't see your miss. You don't see my what? I don't understand. You said you don't see my what, please? You mean my MS? You know, Goddess not what's your number Americana, you know. Each number American, you always use the abbreviation. You think I'm not American, no? I'm not an American person, please. Is that make I not go there. At the end of the day, the chaff will be separated, of course. Naturally, all separated. Can cool neighbor do cool. IJ is in the building. IJ, I see you. Zamarian is searching for money. Na get na find a reason the father condemn before. I don't know. God has said, okay, Obi-Wan. Okay, Obi-Wan. Okay, let me read this message first. And there, my sister, and there, Mazakai. Tell them, I see you. God has said, Obi-Wan, my darling, you are welcome. Okay. Make I pray, then I don't see anything. My river goddess, okay. And there was Mazakai, then maximum is short form. Okay. You don't see my maxi. Is short form of what? Of message. I want get if in America. So this if you type MOS message. You know, if I have an error of Yahoo Messenger now. So Onowu and 4 back people are waiting for Odogu to tell them what is Biafran tax before they know what is Biafran tax. Mascano said, if you are not wiser than white, you would not know Biafra. And they're showing the light, right? Margaret, I see you. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to if you are okay, I greet all of you. I appreciate your time. Please, don't forget that we are waiting. We are going to host a program tonight with the barrister. Those of you that want to ask questions, please get ready for that and join us as well.
Don't mess around.
7 p.m. the front time.
With IRS. They can take your home, they can lock you up, they can garnish your wage. They are super. After God is them next. So now, Odogu told us, forget about every other bill. Focus on the Biafra tax. And this Biafra tax, I must tell you guys, Odogu did not incur it. It was because he was doing service for us, sending money, and then they thought it was all his money. He was doing money laundering, didn't pay tax on it. No, it's not his bill. It's Biafra's bill. And he tells us, forget about every other thing else. And yet, some people who are supposed to know are concentrating on paying attorneys' fees.
Now, remember these people use, even Onowu and Mazakwa, spend time convincing Biafra to donate money for the barrister. Then if you criticize Odogu, oh, you don't want Odogu to come out. You are the reason why Odogu is in the prison. They are now fighting each other. All of a sudden, Mazakwa and Odogu and I don't know, realized that paying for that for lawyer is worst thing that anyone can do. Now, I want you to hear, because she went far. She said something very, very that will interest you.
Let me ask you guys, if you have a case and you cannot even pay the attorney representing you, in our own case, Onowu worked out a deal with his attorney to hold off, but he will still represent him. And then you have another attorney who is supposed to be advising your own attorney that does not have the jurisprudence to practice to defend Onowu. And you focus on paying the advisor instead of the main attorney.
Okay. Now she realized that this, the one in America, the barrister, is actually an advisor to the main attorney that will stand in the court of law in Finland and defend PM. But the same people, the same woman and Mazakwa, criticized USB government, criticized their friends for questioning this hiring of a lawyer, this Joseph Miskits or whatever. I don't know, I forgot his name, but Joseph something. Now, when they hired the lawyer, jubilation everywhere. Oh, you see, this Ngozi don't want. Now, all of a sudden, oh, she don't have this lawyer don't have jurisprudence to represent PM in the court of law in Finland. All of a sudden, they now realize that the man is just an advisor. Remember, they called this woman, they called the man to grant interview. Each time I remember what happened, I always refer to what happened according to the rumor that Chomo, because remember, Chomo Koma and her husband is the one behind the hiring of the lawyer, right? The same Chomo Koma name appeared when people talk about group of people that received some huge amount of money from one governor, unknown governor, I don't know the governor. They said about 20 million naira, about 20 million. They received that. The question is, why Chomo Koma? Now, Chomo Koma designing this kind of hiring of a lawyer and all that, what is her mission? What is her agenda? Is it to make money or truly to help PM? Because the question her one of her colleagues now who happen to be a donor, DPM and USB, now them they do themselves now. The question that she asked now, can they answer this question? You have a lawyer that you are paying, that will appear in court physically to defend you. You are owing that lawyer. Then you are sourcing for money to pay the advisor, that the main lawyer, that the person will be advising. That should tell you all you need to know. They will pretend to be helping you. We are safe here, we are here to help. But when you look at the activities, you find out that the main game is about themselves. Just like the issue of protest. I told you is about those organizers and everything. It may be helpful to PM, don't get me wrong, but the main thing they want to achieve there is relevancy. Everything they're doing, pretend to be helping PM, is just to undermine USB government and USB authority. Once anybody can undermine USB government, that is why they will support it. That's why we are hearing from Google 247 and 2 Survivor today. Ranting, lying and pushing wrong narrative. They will first condemn you that you are against PM release. The day I gave up on Ugo is the day he said that DPM is working. Not that she wish, she's working to send PM back home. That is because I was hoping that he's going to present something. Until now, I say, can't you see it? He said, I can't see anything, but can't you see it? See what? This has nothing to do with your personal hatred of somebody. If you hate somebody, it's okay. I'm not against you hating somebody. You can hate who you want to hate. It is normal. But this kind of level of lies, no. It doesn't show that you're a human being. It is at all. Something must be done about it, because the level of lies and blackmailing is out of this world. Now, I don't know why you're making sense in this, just in these few seconds. Let's hear you.
And the guy who is in trouble said, forget about my attorney, focus on the Biafra tax. And you still ignored it. I don't know who will ask you. Who are you working for? Who are you?
According to her, that even PM is saying that even that my main attorney, the finished lawyer, forget about him. We are going to sort ourselves out later. My abona na tax, they clear tax. And that tax, according to I don't know if we here. No transaction PM on behalf of Biafra. No problem that if I have personal business here. If you could go to personal, no, it has to the transfer or the whatever money they're talking about has to do with Biafra. But on a second thought, I thought PM is not in charge of anything money in the movement. I thought everything is outside Finland. So that tax is not, that party. That's why I cannot come out here because they'll tell you this is how it is until I receive the real information about it. Informations are out there, but I believe that all of us watching it, like you that's watching me now, is it anybody that cook food that you would like to eat, that you eat? Like there's a reason why you choose restaurant to eat. There's a restaurant that you, no matter how hungry you are, you will not go there to eat. Because to you, they are dirty. You don't like the environment. You can't trust what the cooker. The place that cook the food, you can't trust their food. You believe that they don't clean up, they're not well, clean. The environment is dirty, and anybody can eat something that you normally you wouldn't want to eat. So therefore, you never eat any food from that kind of restaurant. So what I'm saying is that not every information that I will take serious. There's something, there's something that maybe happen. Let's say if there's breaking news now, if Mazakwa, so not Malawa, say breaking that Mazdamorkana has been released, I will not do a video about it until I make sure that I receive that message from the right source. Do you understand what I'm saying? Not that I have not heard about it, but for me to be proud, for me to be confident of that information, for me to have my confidence on that information, I must hear it from people from the right source. You yourself, you may hear it from elsewhere and you run with it, it's okay. But my own personal life, I cannot trust every information. I must receive that information from the people that I can trust. As of today, USB is what I trust. I believe what they're saying. Whether I am right or whether I'm wrong, no problem. Whether I'm taking risk, just see that I'm taking it as a risk, right? Is my business, not your business. If you can grab every information out there, it's up to you. It may interest you to know why I don't trust them. I don't trust them because the same people that you are hearing and like I don't know who's talking about this task and everything. It sounds good, right? But let us go deeper a little bit. Is this not the same I don't know that supported hiring of the lawyer? What changed? Oh, had it been that these people did not separate or fight each other, I don't know who would be here today telling you that this lawyer must be funded. You understand my problem with them now? It is always about them, not about the people. And anybody that have that kind of mindset of about me, not about the people, cannot lead and deliver. Can't lead people and deliver. It's not possible. Hear her again.
You're working for. He has already told us what needs to be done. Who are you? Remember I told you guys, he's a Finnish citizen. He knows the Finnish laws. He's a Finnish attorney. He's in Finnish prison. You think he wants to stay there? You think he does not know what needs to be a priority? And then people are misplacing priority. They are lying to people, telling them that the most important thing is paying attorneys. Let me bring this example back home.
Okay.
Assuming you lost a family member,
okay,
and you're getting ready to do the funeral, and you don't have money to buy the casket, you haven't bought the casket,
okay,
and your friends come in, they are giving you money towards the food and towards the canopy, towards this. Would you, having not bought a casket, a coffin, go and order food, canopies? Or would you channel that money to the coffin? Because not until you lay that person to rest, there would be no eating. So it's likened to what's going on. Without the payment of these taxes, it's one of the items that they charged him with. They gave him 6 years. 2 items, terrorism and tax. And you don't want us to tackle the tax? You think the attorney is more important? I ask you again, who are you working for? For those of you in Biafra land, they keep confusing you guys. You don't ask the right questions. That way.
Okay, also blessed. Maybe because I don't know which of the video came out first. I don't know which of which of the video. Elcom Justin, I see you, my brother. Sorry that I skipped you. I didn't mention your name. I didn't mention another person, Ikechu. Or if I did not mention your name, it's just because I don't want to interrupt the video. Okay, not that I don't take your presence serious, please. Don't misunderstand me on that. We need to understand that anything like that prophecy, that is a prophecy or dream of master prophet, maybe it could be influenced. I don't know. Maybe he was influenced by what they told him, or maybe that dream may originated from gossip from Mazawa. It could be that Mazawa must have said one or two things, or even Imam Madab. You can't trust them because these guys have history of fabricating stories. So anything is possible. The only thing I want us to understand is that what they say is what people say doesn't matter, doesn't mean it. You see, rely on what you know, what your brain can explain to, like what you can articulate. You begin now to choose people that you can rely on to verify your information. People can okay. Don't forget that this woman that is talking now, calling people a liar, she's one that dreamed about DPM. When she told you about that dream, everybody thought that this is a real life story. That she lived in the north, DPM grew up in the north, DPM was born in the north, she grew up and married one Alhaji and bear children in the north, and that's what she wants us to believe. That even her name is Harimatua Abubakar. She's one that fabricated that story. It took her how many months? Almost a year to start saying the truth. That it was in her, that thing is happening in her dream. How can the same person that one man somebody is not somebody is lying. Nana to us. How the same person? How the same person? So sometimes you don't need to take them serious. They can say what they want to say. It's up to them. So Onowu did not know the difference between advisor and the main lawyer. This woman is just an old woman. No, she's saying this just because the person that she's referring here is Jomo Koman husband, who have also registered their own brigade. I don't know who is CRC BGC government under brigade. Then Jomo Koma registered another brigade in order. Then PUC is backing Jomo Koma up a little somehow because they're also advertising about the lawyer. Or on the friend, you got oil journal from here. Or what can I lawyer say? Now, if I can get if I can, I said all of them are criminals, and there's years. There are 21 million naira from Eastern governors. Okay, that's the money I'm talking about. That's the money I was talking about Chomo Koma's name. Chomo Koma's name appeared there. Choma and Bryson Okoma are using their so-called lawyer to fight the freedom of Biafras. Okay. Now then go get that. Choma Okoma and her husband are fighting to deliver for the money that they collected from the Eastern governor, my people. Okay. It means they are now requesting the money back. They're not requesting the money back. Margaret, I see you, my sister. Lovely Biafran, please hit like button. Okay, Margaret. Okay. Okay, let's continue.
That's what that doesn't mean we know better than you. That we are doctors and professors and master's holders or whatever doesn't mean we are more intelligent than you. At least Google is there. You go and Google and get the answers yourself. You do investigative journalism. You don't just let people feed you whatever they want and you believe it without asking questions. St. Paul called the Bereans honorable people because after they are taught in church, when they go home, they review what they are taught. And if they have questions, they come back the following Sunday and ask questions. That's why he called them honorable people. We must be honorable.
Goddess, are you for real? Is it true? Goddess, are you for real? Because this is the reason why I want to hear from the right source. Mazika, I remember the issue of tax was cleared out on PM case. The tax issue was struck out. The Finland, he said the Finland one, because this one blocked it. He said the Finland courts, they are judging PM. Okay, it's struck out, Finland courts, they are judging PM on terrorism. The terrorism is also watered down. That's what I was told. But according to what I don't know, we're saying now that the tax is still there. And it must be dealt with. That PM is hoping and asking their friends to clear it as soon as possible. But the only person that the only thing that we need to hear from now is government. So, like I said, I don't have access to government direct. I have to ask people that knows people that knows people that know government. So, I don't know. I need to hear
people. That. We don't just swallow everything that we are told without knowing, being able to separate the wheat from the tar. Being able to know what's truth and what's not. So this is what's going on. It's not yet late. If you want to contribute towards the Biafra tax,
is not working for anybody.
Contact
another person.
Myself,
are you working for?
Vam, the Deputy Information Minister, the Chairman, Dr. Irobi. Contact us. And we'll let you know how we can channel that money to reduce the bill so that they won't hold on to it, because the terrorism, we have overwhelming evidence. So now they can't hold him on that. This is the loophole they want to cash into. And now we are helping them to succeed. God forbid. God forbid. Woe betide anybody who wants to keep that young man in prison, because he hasn't done anything to deserve that. As a matter of fact, he was doing well, he was living well. Same thing with Onyendu, a prince, for crying out loud, with all what he had, because of the love for his people. Look at where he's languishing. And people have the nerves to be castigating him, insulting him, because he gave his life. Same thing with his spiritual son. So I want to clear this to let you guys know that something is wrong somewhere. When you will leave the object pursuing the shadow, I will ask you again for the third time, who are you working for? You know the truth. You don't need to think about it. You don't need anybody to advise you because it flows. You speak because the truth bubbles from you. God gives it to you to speak to your people. It's all up to our people if they will hear and be able to know. That's why God said, when I give you wisdom, ask for understanding so that you will be able to know what to do, when to do, and how to do. So that when people lie to you, you'll be able to decipher it. It will be like a rattlesnake, because when a rattlesnake is coming, it can't hide the noise. You'll be hearing the noise. So you now know the rattlesnake is en route. So with all what's going on now in the struggle, remember guys, remember Biafrans, we are in the last match. The darkest part of the night is that just before the dawn. And hey, God is sanctifying. There's separation going on. Yes, you know the honorable man, the rich man, when he went to sleep after sowing his wheat, the enemy went and sowed tares. God said, forget about it during harvest time because they look alike. You see these saboteurs, they look like real people. They talk like us, they smile like us. Yes, like the wheat and the tare. But when the harvest time comes, you will now separate them. And remember, if you find yourself in this struggle at this time, know you are privileged because God always has a remnant he uses. And those remnants he uses, he rewards them because he's a rewarder. Yes, God will not come down from heaven to do it. He has already given us Biafra in the spiritual realm. It's all up to us.
Yes,
let us put our monies together. Yes, and you come 1 million or wow fufu. Say in the Air Force, we have over 250 or whatever people there. Assuming everybody there brings 1K, 250K. It's not a chicken change. We can do that. You don't just have to sit back and wait for others to do it. Ibo color, ibo onyamo, ibo uliede. Ndi ozo na alu ine sonanya. Ine nanya. Mgbe Biafra gabia, when Biafra comes, what stories will you tell your children or your grandchildren what you did for your nation? Is going to go down in the annals of history. History will remember us. Let us know that we are in the last days of Biafra. Biafra will come. Take it or toss it. No man born of woman or conceived in a petri dish that can stop Biafra from coming. Biafra must come, and in our generation, it must come. We must walk into that holy land, but only those whose hearts are pure will enter that holy land. Remember the children of Israel? They kept dropping. Journey of 40 days, they did it for 40 years. Until all their skeleton dropped, their bones dropped in the desert. Only 2 people, 2 pure people. God does not work with numbers. If it's 2 people he needs to use, fine, he will use them. And if those 2 people refuse to perform, he can call up the stones to do the job because he has already set the calendar that Biafra will come when it will come. Only God knows when Biafra will come. And when that time comes, no man can stop it. No man. So my brothers and sisters, to reiterate what I've said, Mazi Lucas is no longer the financial secretary. So talking to you, if he talks to you, if he inboxes you, tell him, no, we have a new account. The account he's operating with is null and void. And I want to use this opportunity to thank the other 2 account holders who held the fourth. The 3rd account holder, God will continue to bless you. And it doesn't matter. Biafra first. If the third account holder is not available, we have people. Nobody is indispensable, including Onowu. If I can't meet up with it, I will step aside. Onyendu said it after all. I'll step aside, somebody will step in, because nature does not allow vacuum. Yes. So nobody should think that they are more important than the other. I don't care what you studied, whether you're a brain surgeon, you're a rocket scientist, or a professor, doctor, whatever you are. We all have equal stake in Biafra. We all have equal stake. We haven't gotten Biafra yet. People are scrambling for position. I say shame on all of you looking for position when we haven't even gotten the land. You're scrambling to have your families to rule Biafra after you're gone because it's a family event. And for those DOS people that have been sacked for the fourth DOS, they should be very mindful. You can't be insulting my supreme leader. He put you in that office. And when he says your days are done, you cannot argue with him. If he can dissolve the most powerful DOS, the very first DOS, or Chike Dozie and the rest, Fabofen Kupu. Fabofen Kupu, how dare you guys challenge my supreme leader? How dare you? Talking nonsense.
I think Wounded, I think you are Don Pedro, right? Wounded. Are you Don Pedro? Are you Don Pedro? Because your question, this your name sounds like I remember. I think you are Don Pedro. The person called Wounded. You are Don Pedro, isn't it? As because I know you can. I didn't block you here. I did not block you here. So your question is just like Don Pedro question, and I can confirm that you are Don Pedro. If somebody who don't know you will read your message and think that you are a concerned Biafran without knowing that no you Dogachi. Dogachi commander. No, you Dogachi commander. My brother, please tell your voice to stop using that code to destroy people's name. After video if you know men after talk alone Don Pedro. Afọtara unu mmiri soludo ga gịnị a na-akpọ ife a niile na-ekwu maka soludo ife oji aka odo eme ndị be ahụ na dị mma my brother izi eme ya nwa gị nwoke ọ ga-adị gị mma biko I'm not saying you should not do what you are doing, no. It's up to, but this level of aka odo n'ikpere ndị mmadụ unu jiri obi mmadụ na Don Pedro, you go to Onowu because all this is too much. Because if go this way, now, all the guy goes now. I'm a very good student of your argument. So I know when I read your comment, I know that you are the one. When they come you can get program. So I come na guys no ask you. I'm not Don Pedro. I'm not going. You like my program, but you don't know how to appreciate me. Don Pedro. Say hi to this our brother.
Uzonna baby Uzonna silly way is looking so sexy. Ona lowa Johnson Uzonna na better bikini Uzonna it's too easy forget this oh well Uzonna kasoludo malife Uzonna the finest party go no there to jo anything they want you no get Uzonna you be our choice oh yeah dance here
So kehi wiki kunanka. Okay. If one and that comment is which I get there, I'm not go.
a career thing when our people are dying. And that Moru, the mother squad, he has already designed an emblem for ESN. For those of you that will give him money, woe betide you. You will be an accomplice. All the blood of those he will kill will be on your heads. With the account he opened, you should not put a farthing there. Yes. That's all he's doing. Embezzling, embezzling, embezzling. I will always speak. No man can touch me. No man can kill me. I'm untouchable until God is done with me. God sent me on this job. So for those of you that are trying, I tell you, you need to go tipa buaja. Until my job is done, I am untouchable. God called me for this job. And no man, if a son you cannot get me out. If I remember clearly, I've left this struggle 7 times. This is the 8th time. If you know numerology, 8 is the number of new beginning. 7 is the number of completion. I am going anywhere. If a son I don't know who bazwanuka or dan if unu na-ekwu. Janus Wake. This Mazi Lucas close down platforms. IJ raise the ego. He close them down. Sit until Odogu no nyendu pota. Aye webido bebe. So far pota in 10 years. Aye.
But Ogasubike media USB in Aquacana. Azubike, you tried there. Azubike, thank God. Thank you for you did not allow this evil woman in Georgia to take over, right? Insubordination. My friend, I'm gonna end it here because I have to rest before the next program that we're gonna host, in our main platform. Please join us in that program. Okay, very, very important. Join us in our next program. We are coming back with the barrister, 7 p.m. different time. Because of that, I'm not gonna send link now for us to maybe if you want us to repeat this program, we can do it if you must say something. But for now, please allow me to wind down for us to come back later. Like I promised to, I scheduled that program for I think 2 days ago. I think on Monday. I scheduled this on Monday, so we're going to have the program tonight. I have not even talked to barrister. Yeah. I think he said he texted me a message. He will be here. He will be here. So please join us at that time. God bless all of you. Asatina, I see you. I see you, Asatina. There. Your job is to be wearing sunglasses. I don't know who please, let me ask this question because before I came on here, wait, there's something she did that I want to confirm if it is right or not. This woman covered her hair like
from that neck,
like a Jewish
welcome, mommy,
like a rabbi,
to make our supplications. Regarding
is this right for a woman to cover like this while praying? I actually want to know. I'm not insulting her. Please, is it the right thing to do? Like, before I started this program, I was arguing with someone about it. Is it the right thing to do, like a woman to cover dress like this while praying? I'm not a Jewish by religion. Okay.
Regarding your son, Mazi Simon Ekpa, for his case that will be coming on.
So, Rabbi, I don't know. Is it the right thing? I'm actually eager to know. Is it the right thing to do? Do you think that it is allowed for a woman to Nke abụkwa na ọ na-achọ scarf o yi scarf already tụkwasịzie ya this cape. No, so is it the right thing to do?
On August 5th. Father, you said the hearts of kings.
And what did on the other side? What did on the other side when a mellow way of trying man and the people themselves? What what did
Are in your hand, and like body of river, you can turn it to where you want it to go. So whoever the judge or the jury or whatever, they are all in your hand. You can turn their hearts to favor your child. That's why we are asking for grace, because when we have grace, now we have unlimited.
So let me read the results. Let me know those that I said that is right or wrong. IJ, I'm interested in your opinion on this one. He said she is ready to do anything. She's ready to do anything. She's ready to do anything. That money comes out of your pocket. Okay, so what they're saying is that this is a strategy to woo people for them to donate money. To be honest with you, I thought as much, but so I don't know who go.
They will not question it. They must grant him his freedom. He does not deserve to be locked up. All verse 33. Your word. There. When you do and declare that all these supplications come to pass and the sun will shine on it. So says the Lord, and so shall it be. He said.
Why did your blue bell? Why did your blue bell where you're going to bell? In that, or to huggy bell or to a gap. I found a magic. You will not get you get it off. Is that not Maggie Bell in this morning? Or Jaco Mogo one. I never but on a good on the beer can
for over 5,000 years.
No, start from here.
Have no control over him. God, you will do only what you can. You said, thus said the Lord of hosts, the children of Biafra and all indigenous children of the land, we are oppressed together. And all that took them captive held them fast and refused to let them
go. My phone as such. Not to that boat, you but not no, you say what did you? That's very funny to be honest with you. Let me ask something like KV Gunoko and let me choose few people to know what would I take. As I said, she is trying to form Mazin Modicano to see if money will come. I swear, I wish now. I would have made program of barrister. I would have made program of barrister because I want to know this kind of. These people are very, very funny. I said that she's trying to form Mazin Modicano to see if money will come. Then Goddess Kefiku. Goddess says, in Jewish religion, their women cover their hair with white less hair cover. In short, the spirit of confusion has taken over her. So, are you saying that okay, baby? You said confusion, meaning that you agree that what she's doing is wrong. Because somebody was telling me that it doesn't matter that Jewish men can do that. Well, they have all turned to Jewish worshippers. Alerm. Fake people everywhere. Jewish Nago Bible. The Hebrew Bible when man which is Joshua honor her. It is only government of USB that have the right that have the lifeline of our restoration. Simple and short, I believe. Okay, the Justice Kefiku, exactly. She is ready to do anything for money. I swear, IJ, comedy guy, I swear. Kefe tripe mauka no kweba. Adiko pona. Kevin ku. Now Peter Obi in different struggle. She can pray in Jewish. Okay, Peter Obi in different struggle. She can pray in Jewish, where Christian or Nana or Muslim and the Hindus. Mabu nego puta. Mabu nego puta. Oh my goodness. Another goodbye person. Kano said the woman should not use clothes to cover her. The Bible said the hair of a woman is her covering and glory. I disagree with you. You can cover hair, but I don't see this as ordinary scarf. That's my point. I don't see it like a normal scarf when you want to pray. Remember this scarf now, the one this picture now, the one is made of here is her real self, like the way she dressed up for this program. Then when she want to pray, Okazeka grab all this lesser aqua white with those Caesareans. You know what I go? I started that she can mimic mass to be mass no more than can. Even the way that she's praying and everything, just for you to know that no you can go, Joe, as I see you, I greet all of you. Please, can you guys join me in that program, 7 p.m.? What money cannot do does not exist. Adao Koko, Alomelo. That was from Franco Koye. Imagine the one that says she is trying to form our leader, Mazam Kano, for money to start coming. Not what if you get nowhere. As an old woman, she is supposed to sit and observe. Her brain is not that strong enough to be in this struggle. Also, if you need money, if you need account to send the money, you should contact Yawa, Mazakwa, and Nkiru. Nkiru na pop go from UK. If Mazakwa or that boss my debt, not a boss barrister. Or that was barrister. If Mazakwa, this guy, just show him that you have money. He can do anything for you, but over the guy, I swear. Anyway, thank you, my people. God bless all of us, and please see you in next hour. Yeah, should be next hour. Okay, God bless you and take care of yourself. Day one.